Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Logo Design. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a monogram logo using the grid method. Make sure watch to until the end of the video. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now I will generate automatically another copy by clicking Ctrl+D many times. After that, select all. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. After that, select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift and draw a circle like this. Hold the Shift and place it like this. Now select this. Press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Hold Alt and Shift and intersect with this line. Do this in the same way. After that, select these three circles. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And intersect with this line. Like this. Now select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. After that, hold Shift and select these two shapes. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.